Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas with a 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. Full wrap over this with XPEL's Ultimate Plus. And I'll show you a couple reasons why this person chose to wrap this, because they already received some road damage. Now, that can probably come out, but he doesn't want to mess with it. We just went ahead and wrapped over that. But it has a nice PPF over it. Very easy truck to do. Just requires some detail when you're coming around all these edges to get the film where it needs to go. But great truck to do, man. It's flat. It's very unique, as everybody knows. It's finally out. The 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. This is the Foundation series. So all the wrap, everything's perfectly done all the way up to the edges. No edges are shown. This truck is simple for us to do as far as wrapping all the edges in, coming all the way up. This is the only piece up top, this A-pillar piece. Here's how they do it. It's just a panel and it's spot welded. They cover it with these and it's just spot welded to the door. So just panels, real simple, very unique way to build it. It's not like a regular car with a fender and a door that, you know, would do, you know, like these guys. They come and they weld it to the actual framing. But back to the Cybertruck, coming around all the backside here. It's got some staining that happened. Some of it comes out, but it does take damage. We figure for a stainless vehicle, it'd be pretty durable. It is, but the PPF over it'll keep it from getting scuffs like that. And it had a lot of staining from water, but everything looks fantastic. All the edges, you won't even know it's wrapped. I mean, you can't even tell. Totally different concept from any vehicle. All this gets wrapped in nicely. A little scratch right here we couldn't get out. You can barely, the PPF covered a lot of it, but it does take damage, and that's why they chose to wrap it. They only had it 2 weeks and already received a couple scuffs that look pretty compromising to the surface. So there it is, full wrap, XPEL's Ultimate Plus film. No ceramic needed over it. They didn't choose to do that. We're going to tint it here next. I'll shoot another video with the tint. But there it is, the Cybertruck from Tesla. Appreciate you guys watching our YouTube channel, clearbrownorthdallas.com. If you have any questions, 214-414-3809. 214-414-3809 is how you get a hold of us. Thanks for watching. Take care.